हेलो गाइस। कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू? So today I'm going to cover all the remaining commands. So as you understood by having seen my YouTube thumbnail, okay, so let's get start today's session. So this is what we learned in our last class. Now today's I'm going to teach you all the remaining commands, all the important remaining commands, right? So first WC, World Cup, right? It stands for World Count, right? Word count, right? Used it can be used for uh, check check how many how many lines and word and characters. Word words words and characters, right? Then next command is and okay, sir, let me start today's session directly practical, right? We are not getting enjoying like that, so let me write like this, right? So w world command we command is used to how many lines, how many characters, how many words. Simple. That I need one file. I am having this disk users.txt file, right? Let me check what is inside that. This, right? Alias disk, right? So here we have no content available in this file. Now, just sir, I want to check how many lines in this file, how many words in this line, how many characters in this line. So just WC command and disk uses, right? So you can see this is number of lines. 520 lines available in this file, and this is the words and this is the character, right? So 1076 correct words available, right? And two 22,940 characters available in this file, right? So like that you can use word count, right? Okay. Another command is head command, right? So head command is print. Head command prints prints head command prints first first 10 10 line of file, right? Of each file, right? So let me show the practical. So we know we have file, we have disk file, just just 10 line, not whole. Like if I go with the cat, let me show you cat disk, right? This will print all the 520 lines, right? How many lines in this file? 520 lines, right? So I don't want to print all the 520 lines, but I want to print just 10 line, first 10 line of this file. So for that we have the command head disk, right? Yeah, this time you are saying we are getting only the 10 line of from first part of the file, right? Just we are getting 10 line from 10 line, right? Then, sir, this is, let me show you. This is our first 10 line, right? Let me show you, get this, right? Here, yeah, right? This is our up to here, 10 line, right? Our uh, head command uh, did print, right? Did print, right? Now, another command is tail command, right? It is it prints it print last 10 line, 10 line from file, right? Of file, of a file, right? So, sir, this time I want to print last 10 line. I'm getting the last 10 line from this file, right? So, like that, we can print, right? We can print 10 file from last, right? So, next command is our uptime, uptime, right? Our next command is uptime, right? Uptime, uptime, right? Are you getting what we are getting? Uptime, uptime, right? Uptime, uptime. Used to it will tell you how long system has been running, has been running, has been running, has been running, right? So like that, how long our system has been running. From this time to this time, I started my system, right? And as of now, it is running, right? So it is showing you minutes, hours, minutes, right? And seconds, and as well as time, right? It also it it even it show times as well. It shows time. Okay, okay. Now with this uptime, right? There is we can also use flag. P means pretty, right? If you want to check just time pretty format, then you can use p with uptime, right. And another is second, right? If standard time, right? So like that you can use these flags with this. Now next command is ip config. Sir, I want to check what is the my system ip. I if config in config, right? So if config, some operating system use if config, some operate if config, ever use ip config, right? So don't get confused, right, with these two terms, right? So go based on as of now I'm using ubuntu. So I can use if config to check my ip address. Sir, with this we are getting this, right? You are I hope you I am thinking you are getting confused with these text, but don't get confused with this text. Further video we will understand the text processing, and uh, we will grab our actual IP address from this, right? Right. So as of now, just we are touching these command, right? Like how you can check IP, right? So there is another ways to check your system IP address. Let me show those also. You can also use IP address show. This command will also show your system IP addresses. So this is your first interface is showing, right? Number of interfaces showing one, two, three. So I'm using four interface. The four network interface here displaying, right. So in which interface IP address I'm using, right. So we can check that, right? So this is very huge text. So many people get confused with that. So we have another command to check your IP address. Like first you can check, right? And first host, another host name. My host name, right? I am using Jenkins server. This is my host name, right? This is the host name, right? This is the host. This is up to here, from here to here, from here to here, it is from j to r, it is my host name. Before 8 it is our system name, right? Operating system name. Just wait. Username, we can say it is username. Ubuntu is a user and this is the host name, right? So host name and username both are different, right? Different, but just understand. So I need, sir, you are teaching us how to check IP address. Sir, where you are come? Sir, I am not come in another place. Just I am not to go in another topic, just I show you how we can check our host name. Right, with this host name, you can also find out your IP address. You can use iFlag. You can use iFlag to check IP address in concise way. Here you are getting only this IPs, IPv4 and IPv6 of your systems, right? So here, what is my system actual IP? So you can check this is my system IP. You can check this is my system IP, right? I will change this guys later, right? Because some hacker, if the hacker get my IP address, so they can access my system. So that's why I will change this IP address later or after this video, right? Okay, so please don't try to hack this system. Okay. Now next command, history. Hist history. History, right? History. As the name suggests, history command will list all the history. As of now, what command we run, right? So all those commands we are getting. All those commands we are getting with the history command, right? Then another command is main command. Main command, right? It it can be used for it can be used for it can be it can be used to check uh, document of Linux commands, right? It can check main command can be checked. Main command can be used to check a document of Linux commands. Okay. So I want to check main, right? Sir, I want to check use of AWK command. So here you can see the AWK document. Sir, I want to check if config command configuration document. So you can easily get this document of this file as well, right? So like that you can utilize the main command. Another command is yell. What is the as yell? What is l? L means list. L means long list. And right. L means list. L means list. Right. Files and directories. Right. And double L means right. Double L means print, display, display, display files, files in files in directories, directories along along with hidden hidden files, right? So that's the difference between EL command and ELL command, right? You can use both of them, right? Or L command is equivalent is to L command. It is it it is similar to similar to ls command, right? While ls command ll command it is equivalent 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 to ls hyphen la command, right? Getting my point? Okay. Now, next command we have covered tell command, have wc command, head command, if command, IP host command, right? So lots of command we have seen. Sir, some more important things. Uh, that I want to show you. Sir, dot means, right? Dot means, dot means, dot means current, current directory. Current, current directory, right? Current direct, current path of your file or path, right? Or your current path, right? N star means all, all, right? Including, including files and including directories or files and including, you can including files and files and directory directories, right? So this is the extra knowledge, guys. Just I want to finish the Linux course. That's why I'm giving you these additional things, right? So just you implement these things in your real life. So I will be happy if you get place in as an Linux administrator, Linux admin. So that's why I'm saying deeply teaching you all these commands, right? That what I use in daily hour uh, job profile, right? Then, so, so enough for today, guys. Enough for today, guys. Enough for today. And tomorrow, from tomorrow, we will learn more advanced concepts like text processing. Like we will use AWK, right? Sed editors and VI commands. Oh, right. So first, I will next in the next video we will learn about VI command, right? So VI command, what is VI command and how we can use the VI editor, right? So in the tomorrow session we will learn that. Right. So enough for today. I request you please like, share our channel, right? Because it get lot of efforts to create videos, right? So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, and also please, if it is possible, please share it with your friends so they can also learn the Linux, right? So thanks for watching our channel.